So, on this great morning here in Syracuse, DeWitt, New York, I was like, yeah, let's go. You guys want to go thrifting? Ella comes up. She's like, yeah, I'll go thrifting. You're going to be there long? No, I'm not going to be there long. I'll drive. I love my car. I got it this year. I put stickers on it. It's nice and cute. Well, get a load of this. Get a load of this. There she blows. Well, on that note. And here is the culprit. Oh my god, help.
Don't whale it. Don't make it worse.
Okay, well. And so on this journey, we're gonna change it. But I also got a lot of cute stuff at the thrift store, and kombucha is good, so you guys should drink kombucha every day of your lives. Cut. Jesus. It's not. Why are you gonna get such an old car?
This is what we had to do with my car.
I feel like this is a Jack.
Yeah, it is. Jack. Old
Jack.
That's what she said. That's what she said. No, that's what she said. That's what she said.
No, it's definitely not it.
That's the other way.
Push it in.
It's all for you. I don't want to vlog.
You don't want to vlog?
Hell no.
That's stupid. Oh gosh, we didn't get to show the tire. Amanda thinks the vlog, so. Anyways, there's the tire. Amanda also got the jack up. Wow, she's bare. She is raw dogging today. Oh! Ooh, bingo! Auga! Auga!
I think this
Oh! Oh! Oh!
something lived in there.
Yeah. And smoked a few cigarettes while I was in there.
Anyway, I'm gonna be honest.
I would deeply make out with Amanda right now.
You gotta lift it up and lay it up. Like, it's not even the right size. Yeah.
We did it. Mainly Amanda did do a lot of the work. She's great. If you want to take a look at what we have so far.
I wear the pants in this relationship.
She always wears big boy pants. That's what we got. This is what we have to replace.
Does not look like there's in despair.
Yep. And just like that, we did it. We did it. Yeah. Any words, Amanda? Thank you for coming down here in the middle of your study.
I never want to have to do that ever again.
Okay, I'll do it next time.
It's just so.
You take a lot of
Greasy.
initiative, and I admire that about you.
It's very greasy. Kind of like her hair.
Yeah.
She does take a lot of
There
initiative.
we go. On the next episode of When Something Messes Up on Anme's Car Again.
Lock your car. Lock the car.
Oh, what?
The bottle opener.
Bottle